What is going on, guys? All right, today is Sedona, and I'm gonna get a little off the beaten path, following the pink Jeeps. There's a pink Jeep. They still have pink Jeeps, but now we're seeing bigger trucks, bigger vehicles. But look at this view right here. There you go, guys. Off the beaten path, heading up. Gonna hit up a couple of trails, roads, whatever you want to call them. And it's been a while since I've been here, so I'll take you along. Hang on, we're driving. It's just beautiful. So I said, you come to Sedona, you're not sure where to go. If you got a four-wheel drive vehicle, follow a pink Jeep. Right there. These guys are going up to see something up there. All right, I see them getting out of the Jeep. We're on the trail now. They're getting out of the Jeep. I don't know, may have to go walk up and see what they're looking at. Beautiful. Look at that, is wicked right there. Lots of blooms in the desert right now. Lots of picture taking and picture photo opportunities. All kinds of, wow. There is no shortage of things to see up here. It's beautiful. All right, heading on. That is postcard worthy. Beautiful. That way. They're a little narrower, but still no problem. Lots of pink Jeeps out. It's a beautiful trail for it. Check that out, there's water out here. Wasn't expecting to see water up here. Little pools. Very cool. Huh. Every now and then you come into a spot where, yeah, you run into some water. This is awesome. I'm not sure how long it's been since this was flowing with water, but I'm going to say that it hasn't been that long. But it has been a wet winter. No, I'm not going swimming. So cool though. Another stop along the way. Can't help but stop and just take a look. There's a tour over on the other side of me here. They're sitting there, they're talking. Safari tours, I think it is. I'll wait till they move out. I would see something they were overlooking at. I want to wait until they're gone. I want to go over and take a look. So hang on. Coming through where we just passed through. There's a pink Jeep. We just crossed there. While I was standing here, another Jeep showed up. And I wanted to get over and take a look at this before all the crowd comes in. You come up to these areas, it does get a little busy, even though you're out in the middle of nowhere. Now, this is the Van Daren cabin. 43-acre parcel was originally homesteaded by Bill Fredericks, a local known as Good Whiskey, in 1924. He sold the land to Earl Van Daren. Earl moved north cabin from Sterling Canyon sometime between 24 and 29. Huh. I'll take a look and see what we got. Oh, wow. Check that out. Wow, and they are building right on the other side of this. Let me see if I can get a shot of that, because it's on the other side of the trees. I see workers, I see roads, I see fences, and a golf course. Okay, I did not expect to see a golf course. Wow, look at that. Look at that. Okay, that is something else. And not a regular golf course. I'm not sure if that isn't a private residence, guys. That is a private residence. The thing is huge. Wow. And this is just kind of his private putting green out here. Oh, and yeah, what a view that is. Holy cow. That's something else right there. Wow. Did not expect to see that. Very cool little detour off the 152 road. Interesting cabin. Hearing the Jeep guy, the pink Jeep tour, talking to the people he had with him, saying that cabin was moved up from the valley and he moved it right there to his own piece of property. So I think as the story as he was telling it, he went to the cabin owner and said, I'd like to buy that cabin and I'm going to move it up here. And the cabin owner said, if you're willing to go through all that much work, you can have the cabin. And there it sits to this day. He got it all the way over here, got it set up. I guess the second cabin next door was when he wanted a wife. The wife got up here and looked at the cabin and said, hell no. And so he ended up having to build another cabin right next to it. Anyway, it's time to head back down the hill, but I'll get shots on the way down. We'll see you at the bottom. Hang on, guys. I don't know if I can get a shot and get you close up on those yellow flowers there, but lots of those up here. Deserts in bloom. No, do not adjust your television set. Wow. I don't know if that's a bluish green, what that is. I have never seen that before, but Sedona, there you go. McDonald's with a green M. I'm gonna go in there, get a shake, I think. See you guys next time from Sedona. Well, maybe not Sedona. It's from somewhere. Look at that view. One more shot of that view. Wow. Beautiful here. I need a chocolate shake. Live life full time. We'll see you guys next time. Take care, guys. Wow. Did not expect to see that.